Okay, I'm ready to start welding. I've got different settings on the camera today. Let's get a little darker in here, although I have some lights. I'm going to try this and then I'm going to have to check it out before I go on too far. But here we go with the first part. Okay, I reached my tie-in. I'm going to stop this and look at it and see what it looks like before I go on. I want to make sure you get all this. Okay, I think I've got it figured out. I hope. I had to re-rig my lighting in here. The sun is not shining through the window as it normally would be because it's getting late. So, and I had to take the lighting on the camera off because it caused some type of strange motion. Okay, I'm going to go on for my second quarter. Here we go. I've got to roll it down. Here we go. Okay, right there I lost my gap. Got to hit that with a grinder a little bit if I want to make sure I've got penetration. Okay, one last quarter. I'll tell you, this is not easy working by yourself with all this contraption going on. I've got to adjust the camera to the left just a touch. Up, down, sideways, round and round. Let's try that. I think that'll do it. Okay, that closes up my bead. Got to grind my bead. I'm going to pause, then we'll get back on the hot pass.